Have you been wanting to bring renewable energy education into your classroom? Have you been looking for a format that gets your students excited about science, technology, engineering, and math? With the Solar Learning Lab, you can do both. The Solar Learning Lab uses real renewable energy data to teach STEM. It motivates students to understand energy and climate change, the most important issues of their generation. The Solar Learning Lab was developed by Heliotronics. Founded over a decade ago, the mission of Heliotronics is to accelerate the adoption of renewable energy. Heliotronics is the most experienced educational data display company in the country. We have hundreds of sites throughout North America and Hawaii, and we have selected the best of these to feed data into the Solar Learning Lab. Our network of solar data installations includes the 50 schools of New York State's award-winning School Power Naturally program, many other state solar school programs, and higher education standouts such as Harvard, MIT, SUNY ESF, and Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute. The Solar Learning Lab is an internet-based education portal. It is designed to teach STEM through the use of live renewable energy data. What makes this unique is that it integrates data, curriculum, teacher training, and teacher collaboration in one portal. We have made access to the data easy and intuitive. All the sites are presented on a map of the United States. You can zoom to state scale, to city scale, and to campus scale. Switch into satellite view to see a wind turbine or a solar array. There are two ways to access the data. Scroll down on the left of the map and click to select sites by name, or from the map view, zoom in and click on your site to bring up a thumbnail graph. From either, you can click through to the Data Access tool. The data is easily accessed with a user-friendly interface. This makes it simple to display your data in graphical and tabular form. You can access many different data types such as temperature, energy, power, irradiance, module temperature, wind speed, and more. And it can be viewed using day, month, or year timescales. The data can also be downloaded to spreadsheets, providing flexibility for graphing. This graph was constructed by downloading and plotting data from two different solar arrays, one that doesn't move and the other that follows the sun. The Solar Learning Lab has links to portals with additional capabilities. For example, data in this portal shows the rapid drop in barometric pressure and rise in wind speed as Hurricane Sandy rolled in. You can also access advanced features such as windrows plots, summary tables, and many more. Worried about curriculum? No need. The Solar Learning Lab has its own library developed by people who are experts at teaching with data. We have paid close attention to the basics, making correlation to standards a breeze. The curriculum has the flexibility to be used with inquiry-based, project-based, and standard teaching approaches. The curriculum is broken into 3 parts: student lessons, student activities, and teacher guides. The lessons are built around aspects of renewable energy systems which are tied to one or more STEM concepts. For example, in this lesson, we compare fixed and tracking solar arrays and how they impact energy production. Power, energy, angle of incidence, geometry, and trigonometry are all utilized, and they are tied together using real data. Each lesson has activities that can be assigned as homework or worked on in class. They are designed to be printed out, filled in by the student, and handed in for grading. Also, each lesson has an associated teacher guide. The teacher guide is an all-in-one document with the lesson, activities, and teacher notes included. The teacher notes are found in the activities as well as the lesson. Many educators find training helpful. Teacher training is available through live webinars and videos that are included free as part of your subscription. Webinars are interactive, allowing for live question and answer, as well as online chat. Participants can even allow the presenter to view their screens remotely when a picture is better than words. Heliotronics trainers can be hired to visit your site for in-person training and even to guest teach in your class. Nobody is better equipped than teachers to develop best practices, help one another, and innovate new ways to use the Solar Learning Lab. And that is why the portal also includes an interactive forum that enables you to connect with teachers across the country. The Solar Learning Lab is priced within the discretionary budget of schools and department heads. Go to our website or call us to sign up now. Credit cards are welcome. If you're not ready to sign up but want to hear more, join us for an introductory webinar or sign up for our newsletter. To do so, send us an email with the word newsletter in the subject heading to solarlab@heliotronics.com. If you have been looking for a new, fresh, and innovative way to teach science, technology, engineering, and math in your classroom, we have a great solution for you. Come be a part of the Solar Learning Lab family today.